In 3, 2, 1. Well, I've heard there was a secret chord that David played and it pleased the Lord, but you don't really care for music, do you? And it goes like this: the fourth, the fifth, the minor fall, and the major lift. The baffled king compose it. Hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. Well, your faith was strong, but you needed proof. You saw her bathing on the roof, and her beauty in the moonlight overthrew you. And she tied you to the kitchen chair. She broke your throne and she cut your hair. And from your lips she drew the hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. Well, maybe I've been here before. I know this room and I've walked this floor. I used to live alone before I knew you, and I've seen your flag on the marble arch. And love is not a victory march, it's a cold and it's a broken hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. Well, maybe there's a God above, and all I've ever learned from love was how to shoot somebody who outdrew you. And it's not a cry you can hear at night. It's not somebody who's seen the light. It's a cold and it's a broken hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. We did it. What's going on, everybody? Thank you so much for watching this ukulele cover and play along for Hallelujah on the good old uke. As always, if you did like this video, make sure you give a big old thumbs up. Also, don't forget to hit that red subscribe button below and the bell notification to be notified every single time I upload a video right here on YouTube. Also, if you're like, Ricky, what is this beautiful uke that you're playing in this video? Well, let me tell you, this is a concert-sized Leolani ukulele. I'll leave a link down below where you can go shop all of their ukes. They also do have the Kumu series, and most importantly, in my opinion, they also do have my signature ukulele they have partnered with, Leolani Ukulele. It is a concert-sized, absolutely beautiful blue uke. I'll put a picture on screen right now. I got to custom design the entire thing, so it is officially My Signature Uke, so I'll leave links for that down below. And if you want to save some money over the holidays, you can use code Ricky10 at checkout and you'll automatically save $10 off your entire purchase when you shop on their website. So again, Ricky10 saves you $10 off your entire purchase. And thank you so much to Leolani for making awesome ukes. Also talking about links in the description, links to the merch, currently wearing the Uke Fam hoodie, and also we have a bunch of other stuff, some Potato Squad member merch as well down there, and also links to all of my socials. Everything is just at Ricky Somborn. Make sure to add me, friend me, send me a DM, letting me know what video you came from. And finally, please leave your song recommendations and suggestions down in the comments of this video. I always love going through them, and maybe, just maybe, the next video might be your song that you recommended. So make sure to leave your comments down below. I love ya. I hate to leave ya. But I'll see you in my next video. Bye.